morning, my name is Siddhima Sisodia. This is my team partner Rani Patidar. We study in Kamla Sagar School of Class 8. Our project name is Smoke Detector.
To make this project, we have used battery, jumper wire, smoke detector and buzzer. So let's start creating this project. We have connected battery positive terminal, buzzer and sensor. Battery connected negative terminal to sensor negative terminal. Buzzer negative terminal connected with sensor output signal. Sensor detective smoke and buzzer is on. Project we have made can save us from house fire. Thank you.